Hello guys, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner, and in today's episode we've got a HP laptop. Unfortunately, it's a no fix. And I'd like to tell you why it's a no fix and why I think, it should be a no fix. I've placed a brand new SSD drive inside, okay, 1 terabyte. And it's fine. This laptop has 8 gig of RAM. But the CPU, okay, it's a CPU which is old, like Core 2 Duo. I didn't check that, that's my fault, okay? I would say that's my fault, because that's a really old CPU. Now what's happening is on the old operating system, on the old drive, it's fine. And you know why it's fine? It's working as it should. It's just because the hard drive can't reach a full speed needed by the operating system. So the CPU is slowing down, the graphic card is slowing down, everything is slowing down. Now when it's slowing down, it doesn't work with 100% of efficiency. When it doesn't work with 100% of efficiency, guess what? Not heating that much. Now you've got a thermal limitation through the BIOS, okay, like limit in the temperature, and you've got the thermal limitation by the hardware itself. So what it is, unfortunately, we're reaching at the moment 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, yes, and it's too much, guys, it's too much. If laptop is reaching those temps, it can as well reach 100, 110. And on the new operating system, guess what? There's a SSD, it's loading quickly, yes, RAM loading quickly because it's 8 gig of RAM. Now CPU and graphic card automatically are keeping up, and they are not keeping up with the Kardashians, yes. So in that case, everything is just hot to the roof. So you've got two choices. Say to the customer, look, you can live with that, go switch off the thermal warnings and everything, in the BIOS, set it up the way that it's fine, whatever. Or say to the customer that unfortunately, because of those conditions, if you will be investing £65 for the Samsung 1 terabyte SSD, and if you will be installing it on this old machine, this can overheat over the time, and when will overheat, might burn. Just pretty much might burn. Let's see if customer wrote back, because I said to pick it up. No, that's not. So in that case, I don't see a better option. I don't want to, just charge this customer for the SSD £65 and then feel guilty about what I've done, because I know I could fix it and I know it would work, yes? How long? We don't know, but we should be able to verify such thing for the customer, because if we don't, as the technicians, then who will be the culprit to that? I will be, nobody else. It's my fault. I could say something to this customer, I didn't. Oh, that's screw, that's no screw. So I don't want to be a culprit, I don't want to feel guilt that I've done something. Oh no. You know what does that mean? That means I need to open this whole laptop again. So not only I'm not making profits of of everything here, but as well I need to open it again. I don't count, I think I've spent about 2 hours on it, if not more, yes. So yay, happy days. But that's what it is. Either you've got a passion to what you're doing, either you've got a passion, and you can help people, not just do it for money, okay? Or don't do it. There will be somebody else who got a passion, and at least they will help people. And then guess how you would feel if you would go to the mechanic, which is a bad mechanic. They don't like what they're doing, they're just doing it because of the money, because money is there. Yes, same story. So that's it, guys. You know, either you are here to help someone, or you're here just for the money. Hello. You can wave hello, because you'll be recorded and you'll go live. Yes, at least you've got pants, I can show it. So that's a good thing. So how can I help?
Look at my pants.
Just don't take them off, please. What do you want? Can you tell? Socks. Yes, you've put 2 wrong socks. Nothing to brag about. Can I know what do you need, please? Because a customer will come in 20 minutes and I would like to give it back to the customer. So I'm a bit busy.
Thirsty.
You are thirsty? Okay, you need to go down. Okay? And either ask Gregor or wait on me. Plus, yes. Sorry, guys. Okay. So. Okay, go. So you see, guys, that's the truth about repairs. Yes, either you've got guts, and you can say to the customer, look, your hardware is outdated, and that's why can't handle, or you will be a liar to them, and you'll make more harm than good. So I think we can call it a day. I think, you know, I think I don't have more value for you. I can say only that something came still. What came? Remember something came and I meant to tell you what came. I don't know. I gave back the how you call it. I gave back the Series X. Customer seen it, it's working, it's fine. Customer was happy. I will be tested. Customer know that I did everything what I could. That's mean I've been asked with how you call it. I've been asked to the solder port and I done it. So port is fitted, new one. And now, yes, now we will have iPhone. Yes, iPhone, which I fixed, and there is a new battery and a whole sealant across the surface. Unfortunately, what's happening is that after putting it all back, the home button doesn't work the way it should. So again, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna correct it. I had a pry tool here. It's okay. See its fingernails because it was open so many times, so I should be able to quite comfortably open it. And now I'm happy to say that finally it's the last time, hopefully, when I'm opening the laptop. Okay? Because this has this. Okay, and I need to fit it in. And in order to do so, I need 4 screws from here. Oh, I know what I meant to tell you. Apprentice came, okay, and I've forgotten to ask if I can tell more about him or show him on the videos. I don't know that. That's my fault. So maybe in the videos I will be able to show his face. maybe I won't. Yes, but we will know in the next episodes. I count for someone. Yes, I count. So we need to wait and see. Okay, let it be. So you might meet a new apprentice and see how the development of a person, yes, how the development of a person, yes, is becoming more and more advanced. So you will be able to see a progress, and fingers crossed he won't give up on himself. He will invest time and money so that he learn. I've explained him why it's important to watch these videos, what I'm doing, and he get it, I think. Yes, because for those who don't know why these videos matters is you see me with all the struggles I have. Yes, even those small things, look like this. I could say, you know, I won't be mounting it, who cares, you know, I'll close it down and I'll say, oh, I forgot to the customer, I won't even mention it, yes, and I will close it and, you know, whatever. Or I could do it right. If the job is worth doing, do it right. That's one way to look at it. If you work for somebody else and you don't like it, spend another year to learn something new, and when you know something new, try to use it to make extra money, and then do it more, do it better, do it more, do it better, and after some time you'll be proficient in what you're doing, and then you can start to do it more, make more money, and someday you can quit your job which you don't like. But it doesn't mean you should be bad to your boss, because this boss helps you to save up money on your future and to grow. Because of that job you can grow, so you should appreciate that boss. Yes, you don't have to, you know, like envy them. You just, you know, you just should go to the job, do what you should do, and be happy that you can pay your bills and learn on top of that. Look, there are wars going and you can learn. Yes, there are bad things that are happening and you can learn. Is it that beautiful? And of course, yes, fixing electronics takes time. Even basic repairs will take you several months to go over, so that you will start to see certain patterns. Yes, and you will start to, you know, like do things more automatically, whereas some jobs will still take you a long time. Yes, but that's what it is. I started in 90s. I don't expect everybody to start at 90s, because some of you weren't born yet, whereas I was a teenager in the 90s. So, you know, it's a bit of a difference in age. Somebody has asked me as well, would I go back to being at my 20s now, yes, with that knowledge what I have? And I would say, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, and I'll tell you why. I don't know if I would appreciate it so much if I would not spend so much time as I did, okay? So because of that reason, I think, you know, I am who I am because of what I've done, and I've got no regrets. Did I do always right? Heck no. Could I do something better? One thing. Can I start off 100 at least? But then again, some things I wouldn't change. I wouldn't have my wife, I wouldn't have my kids, I wouldn't have many other things like my dream car. I wouldn't, because my life would go in a different way. That's why no regrets. Now let's build Inte team. Let's fight for Intecracy. For those who don't know, link is down below to read about it. I didn't post it yet on the Inte team website yet, so that's the only way you can learn about it. Later will be in pages, our mission and vision. But for now it's there. I just had the last edit, helped by my apprentice. So that's the thing. Curious if the button will work. If no, I've got one more unscrewing. But oh well. Few moments later, yes, we will know. Oh, I wanna. Well, actually, yeah, because I wanna put those 3 screws here, and I've got everything else placed, so I will be able to start it up. Before putting all those screws here, I want to start it up, see if it will boot up. I can finish this video. Okay. Can finish this video, and thank you guys who liked, subscribed, who didn't. If you can, please do so. That's really helping this channel to not only record silently repairs for customers, but that does help me, motivate me to record for use the content. And I'm trying to record at least 1 video per day. Yes, at least. And many times you've got 2 videos, sometimes too long or 1 long, 1 short. Depend what I can do. Okay guys, so that is the last step. Okay, the last step. Now we can put it. And I was looking for my pry tool. Okay. Yes, it is working. So you see, I've spent several hours. I will finish it off. It's a loss for me, only waste of time. And can you keep on going like that if you've got a waste for a few hours and you probably won't make a penny out of it? You're just trying to help someone. If no, don't learn electronics, because that won't be for you. Windows is on. Shut down. Windows is shutting down. Cool. And you see, if you don't have passion to something, stop it because of those kind of repairs, because of no fix, because this is a no fix. I've got a new hard drive, 1 terabyte, which I had to pay for 65 quid. Yes, it's 1 terabyte Samsung, good drive by the way. For 65 pounds it's a good price as well. So I had to pay for it, and now, yes, I'll have to give back the laptop, and if there's anything wrong, I need to help this customer as well. Yes, so you see, either you love to do something or you don't. If you don't, stop it. Just stop it. If you can't afford to stop it now, make sure that you can stop it as quick as possible, because that's dragging you. You feel worse about yourself, and it doesn't help with anything. So guys, that's it in this episode. Thank you for sticking with me for the last 20 minutes almost, and if possible, let's fix them all. Yes, for those who liked, again, shouting thank you here, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.